Hello everyone, I'm Cyrus. We have sold hundreds of tractors this year. I will be giving you a detailed introduction of the interior of our tractor. Here you can see the dashboard, the steering wheel, the keys. Every tractor in our factory has two new keys. You can see the gearbox, the steering wheel. You can also see the seat covers are new. Behind the passenger and driver seat is a roll of sleeping bed. You can also see they are new. The overall interior of our truck is very clean. Let's take a look at the front part of the tractor. We have replaced the headlights and the fog lights with new ones. Let's take a look at the circuit. As you can see, the circuits are all new. This is the bumper, it's iron. These are the reflectors and the mirrors, which are also new. And the tires are new as well. This is the engine silencer, which is also new, and the fuel tank, which is also new. The brake lights are also new. The rear axle is very perfect. Looking down, we can see the engine. The engine model is 615.47. This is an oil water separator, which is also new.